Why is Jennie so sensitive to loud noises? Have you ever noticed how easily BLACKPINK's Jennie gets startled? Whether she's on stage or off, Jennie has shown time and again that she's not a fan of loud or sudden noises, or she easily gets shocked from things. It's almost like her kryptonite. From getting spooked by a harmless money gun to shocked at the sound of music starting, Jennie's reactions are both adorable and relatable. Remember when she was scared of a butterfly, or when fireworks shocked her so much even from a distance? On stage, explosions and sudden bangs seem to catch her off guard every time. So why does Jennie react this way? Loud noises can instantly kick off the body's natural fight or flight response, triggering a rush of panic and fear. For Jennie, she might be extra sensitive to this compared to the other BLACKPINK members, making it harder for her to stay calm and not get startled when those shocking sounds hit. How do you feel about Jennie's reactions to loud noises?